Hey guys, Hailey here from Veterinary Practice Solutions. And welcome to our animated Whiteboard Wednesday. Today's episode is creating loyal customers. What happens with a client when they really like you? They have something that we call affinity. It's a factor that makes people want to be near you. Clients with high affinity for you and your practice, who like you and love coming to your practice, are the most likely to leave you amazing reviews and refer you to their friends. The trick to creating loyal customers is finding something they're doing well, how they care for their dog, being on time, etc., and really acknowledging the right thing they do. You'll see the client's mood immediately improve. It's very easy to ask them for a review or a referral. Good reviews result from good customer care, not just how you take care of their pet, but also how you treat the client. When asking clients to leave a review, make them feel important. Ask them for their help and be really grateful when they do it. Really just make sure you have a friendly practice and acknowledge the right actions of your client, and the affinity will go way up. If you're interested in more practice tips, attend one of our free webinars. To register, visit www.veterinarypracticesolutions.com/webinars or click the link in our description. Thanks for watching, and hey, help me out by liking and subscribing. I'll see you soon.